Hey guys, this is Grant with Arkansas Offroad. Just want to take a quick second and share with you one of the most important features I use in the onX app that actually allows me to get out here, explore, camp, and have a really good time. So without a doubt, the most important thing you want to do is actually have your maps downloaded to your phone. Now I know the point of camping is to kind of disconnect and unplug from the world, but you have to use this offline maps feature to know where you're going, to get there safely, and to get back home. So all you got to do is go to the bottom nav bar, click offline maps, and then hit new map. And then you'll select between 3 different resolutions depending on how much space you have on your phone and stuff like that, and how much detail you actually want in the maps as well. Then you'll scan and find your area exactly where you want to save and explore, and click save, and then you can actually also name it whatever you want. Once you save an offline map, it'll go into its own folder so you can access them for later. So it's just very, very quick and easy to use in a very safe way to actually know where you're going when you don't have service. Once you have all the maps saved and labeled of the areas you intend to explore, one thing I like to do is click the Go Offline button just to kind of check your work. What that does is it actually kind of simulates that you don't have cell service just to make sure it's going to work out in the field. So if you haven't already, I highly recommend you guys download the onX Offroad app. It's packed with tons of great features just like this that'll keep you safe out on the trail.